Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I'll share with you easiest method of making potato and green amarnath leaf stems recipe. For making this recipe I have taken a big and long tree of amarnath. It has grown in my balcony. Cut into section and peel off the skin with a small and sharp knife. Keep it aside. Hold the bundle in your hand so that you can easily and quickly cut into small section like 1 inch size. Size should be similar to other vegetables. I will going to use potato and tomato, so keep them similar like other vegetables. Transfer into bowl and add water. Soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, take a big size onion. Peel off the skin of onion and cut it into half. Then shred the onion into small pieces. Knead with your hand to separate the layers of onion. Keep aside. Don't use the hard part of onion. Next, take a big size potato. Peel off the skin of potato and firstly cut them into thin slices. I am cutting it by putting it into my hand. If you are not used to it, then use a chopping board. Next, shred the potato into thin pieces and keep aside. Next, take a small piece of ginger. Peel off the skin of ginger and firstly cut them into thin slices, or you can grate the ginger, but I like to use the equal and similar part of all the vegetables. So cut them into slices and then shred into small pieces like this. Prepare 4 green chili. Slit the green chili in the middle. You can use a chopping board, or otherwise you can slit by using your hand like this. Next, take medium sized tomato. Prepare 2 tomato, cut them into half and then cut into thick slices. Tomato is soft as compared to other vegetables, so no need to shred it, just cut them into slices. Keep aside. Next, prepare some peanuts. Soak them for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, in a thick bottom kadai, add the shredded potato and the green amarnath leaf stem. Next, add the sliced tomato, shredded ginger along with the slit green chili and the sliced onion. At last, add the soaked peanut. It's more important. Lastly, add a teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon sugar. Add handful of mustard oil. This recipe goes well with mustard oil, but you can replace it with other oil. Now the most important part is grasping and mixing. Taste of this recipe depends on grasping and mixing, so grasp and mix well so that each pieces of vegetable should be well coated with the oil and the spices. Now put a lid, cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn on the heat and put the kadai. Put the lid properly so that the vegetables will cook with steam. Reduce the flame and cook over low flame till 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid. See our vegetables is well cooked. You can check it with a spatula whether it is well cooked or not. Mix slightly. See our vegetables is done. At last, I am going to add some coriander leaves. Don't skip the coriander leaves because this recipe will be more flavorful if you add coriander leaves. You can add some fried fish also, but I'm not going to add. Put a lid and cook for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and slightly mix the coriander leaves with the vegetables. See, our vegetables is well cooked and it looks tempting. You can serve it with roti, fulka roti, bhakri, or even steamed rice. We Bengali like to serve it with steamed rice. Friends, if this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.